準決勝第1バトル、カナダのやらなきゃ VS ナル&ロー DJ アイドレイド。OK, let it go!
Hey, got that beer ready.
Thank you for letting me be myself.
Please excuse me while I kiss the sky.
Thank you for letting me be myself.
Please excuse me while I kiss the sky. Things just ain't the same for gangsters. Times are changing. Young niggas is dangerous. Rich and shameless. Do anything to be famous. If you talking about this gripping and you speaking my language, that's how you feel waking up with the world up under you. I'm rolling blunts, fucked up, it's so comfortable. I'm revving at my revenue. I'm unavailable somewhere in Malibu. Somehow I made it off the avenue. Once upon a time, the dog was doing all the chores and breaking off the streets under my paws. In the field, ducking sales, close calls. Some big whales got fish scales, that's snowfall. Shit, I like to thank me. And if we talking about the West, nigga, thank me. Walk of Fame made a name, better thank me. Ain't nothing new, this is what I'm gonna do. I just wanna say
Thank you for letting me be myself.
Please excuse me while I kiss the sky.
Thank you for letting me be myself.
Please excuse me while I kiss the sky. Now you gon' fuck around and find out. I think you niggas need to take a time out. Might have to leave a destiny on the upholstery. High level potency, better than dopamine. Yeah, you fucking with a winner. Shit, it's been a minute since we went up. Now with 6 billion ways to get it, choose one.
don't stop the beat. Yeah, yeah, just like sluts popping up, slapping the hot bass on top of all up a lot of way they got the most. This is marvelous. That's just heat, so you don't slipping the elevator like Jeff. Give me room to be flipping some of the booze around. When I fuck you off in the slide, I fuck on acid, you got control. That's the way they got you holding to. That's the way they got you holding to. That's the way they got you holding to. That's the way. That's the way. That's the way they got you holding to. I wanna say I love you. I love you. You know vanity split me go split. I care for you. Bitch, motherfucker, wanna stand for you. I love you. Cause the more I can write, the more I can write.
Three, two, one, judge. 勝者なるアドロー体の裏切りも大きな拍手をお願いいたしますナイスバブルでしたありがとうさあそれではもう片方山を